Good morning, everyone. My name is Pratna Kamath. Our final year project is on industrial energy and safety audit in energy intensive industry. My group members are Aditya Joshi, Prathamesh Kadam, and Maithili Panetkar. This project is under the guidance of Sharmila Chogle ma'am. Our project aim is to perform electrical energy and safety audit in different industries and prepare brief case study report. So these are the paper we took for the reference for the project. So first we did the electrical safety audit in Crosslink Polymer Private Limited Company. Under this, we conducted three aspects: power quality analysis, earthquake testing, and circuit breaker sizing. In power quality analysis, we use power clamp on power logger. So we observed that the total harmonic distortion in the total harmonic distortion is too high than the permissible limit, which is more than the 50% limit. So few calculations are taken with the reference of the standard rated transformer rating, and we have suggested them to install current filter.
So next is the earthquake testing. The main objective of this earthquake testing is ensure the safety and the reliability of the electrical system. The equipment we used is a digital earthquake tester. So here the in digital earthquake tester, the four terminals are there. Two are the short circuited, two connected to the earthquake rods. Maximum distance between the earthquake rods is 5 meters and acceptable resistance value less than the 5 ohm. The observation we have taken are the this and the observations, the transformer neutral 1 and 2 have the high resistance body. Earth resistance is near permissible limit. Poor maintenance at the transformer site leads to high resistance value. Recommended the improve site maintenance and the remove rust.
The next procedure in energy audit is to check the circuit breaker and their sizings, in which we check the circuit breaker connected to a different application and motors have appropriate rating or not. So we take the reading as a follow. We observe that the steam boiler, compressor, reactor, and the blender number 2 has a higher rating of the circuit breaker, which may prove hazardous for any when any fault occurs. So we recommend them to replace them with a lower rating of circuit breakers. Then next is the thermography, in which we use the thermography camera to find out the temperature of various cables and APFC panels or main panels, in which we take reading as a follow. Observe that the main MCB panel and the total plant load has a critical and higher temperature. So we recommend them to apply the cooling system or fans to lower their temperature. So this same thermography is taken into next Medprotect Private Limited Company, and these are the some pictures, their color codes and their priority codes, which we from which we recommend them to check.
Barbara Rural College of Education. The main overview of this is started in the 1970s to assess the environmental impact and compliance, highlights incidents like the Bhopals to stress the importance of the implementation. Goals are to protect the environment and human health, prevent the costly environmental issues. The benefits of this is identifies the environmental issues and legal compliances, increased environmental awareness.
The next part of green audit is energy audit also, in which we check the last year month bill and their total unit consumption, from which we draw a graph. From the graph, we can observe when there is a peak of the load and when bill amount is high. So we recommend them to install, if the peak is too much high, then we recommend them to install the renewable system in their institute. So
So the conclusion is, in power quality analysis, we observed that the harmonic distortion is more than the standard value, that is the more than 15%. For that, filters are recommended to overcome the current distortion. At the transformer, neutral earthquake resistance is more than the standard value, that is more than 5 ohm. To reduce the resistance, moisture around the earth pit has to increase by adding the water, charcoal and the salt. All the circuit breakers are as per the rated current value of each load, such as the motor, pump, reactors, etc. All other electrical appliances and the motors are fire proofed to avoid any accidents because of the sparks. Through the bill analysis, we can check for the primary cost saving areas. During bill analysis, annual energy changes should be the observed, which will help to understand the seasonal energy consumption of the customer.